Everyone, welcome to KNC's Adventure Time. We got today the Discovery Kids Crystal Growing Kit. And we have our scientist, Dr. Krista here. And we're ready to start this experiment. We got all of our little instruments here that we need. We've got the bag here we haven't even opened yet. We're about to get to it. Step one, we gotta have a level area to perform the experiment and cover with just your table here. It's fine enough. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything out. Oh, all right. We have different shapes here.
Here's the
Go ahead.
green little
What does it say?
the green
Emerald green.
emerald green, and we have a red, and
Red.
it's
What does that say? Red ruby geode.
red ruby geode,
Uh-huh.
and we have some rocks to go with our crystals.
Those are called our base rocks. And we have our logs here to keep track of what's happening day after day.
And
the
a
changes.
measuring thing. I don't know what it's called, but it's a measuring thing. And so we have some orange. I don't know why it's like this, but
So we got pink quartz and
We have-
golden citrine.
we have white and purple.
Purple amethyst geode.
And this is what it looks like behind the box.
And Rama quartz. We have different shapes we can pour our rocks and our crystals into. We got the triangle, square, and a circle.
I will open it already.
All right. I get it.
I'll get it.
Okay, you get it.
I'll come up at people.
While she's handling that, I can be preparing this because we got to have 30 milliliters of hot water. Here's 1, 2,
Just use some good old-fashioned medicine cups.
3. Yeah, that's all we have. Step 2, you will need a measuring cup, which we already have that. A wooden mixing stick, right there. And an adult lab partner, she's over there. Have your adult lab partner fill 1/8 cup, 30 milliliters, which I just did, of hot water. The water needs to be hot enough to completely dissolve the crystal compound. Open a bag of your crystal compound and mix, and pour 3/4 of it into your measuring cup. We'll wait till she gets back to see the kind she wants to use. But we'll read on. Take a crystal display tray and place it on your work surface, which would be one of these shapes here. Slowly pour the crystal mixture into the tray over the base rocks. Using the mixing stick, stir contents until well combined. The liquid crystal mixture should reach up to halfway of each base rock. You got it? Welcome back, Dr. Krista. Those glasses of yours could be messing with your vision right now. Can I try to help you with it? That is important. All right, don't lose the box.
So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put
Yeah, spread them out, whichever ones you want them in.
these. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 7 each is gonna be in a bowl. And get one more. It's gonna make. Wait, gotta count it again. 7, 8. It makes 8 if you take one more.
You'll put 8 in every one of them?
Yes.
Okay. I'm a good assistant.
So I'm gonna put these to side.
3, 6, 7. Uh-oh, we got 2 left over. What do we do?
We
Spread
just,
it evenly. It's not going to be evenly because one's not going to get one. We'll give it to the triangle and the square. Like that. Sound good?
so we have each with the rocks.
Okay.
There's the rocks.
There's the rocks and their little shaped display things. Now, which ones do you want to lead off with?
I'm gonna leave this one
No,
last.
okay, I'm talking about the colors here. Which one you want to start with?
I'm gonna start with purple.
The purple. Purple is called the Purple Amethyst Geode. And we only pour 3/4 of it into your measuring cup.
Can I do it?
Okay, well, okay, we got one measuring cup. Carefully open this.
Please don't go everywhere.
I'll go slow with it.
Don't go everywhere.
Let's get some scissors.
He would come my back. So the rocks is gonna be the base of the.
Dr. Krista, don't you need your glasses?
Oh.
I'm a good assistant, aren't I? All right, 3/4 of it, which means only 1/4 of it will be left down here. You want to do the pouring?
Yeah.
All right, carefully.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay. All right, hold up. Let's look at it. Just a wee bit more.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Little bit.
Okay, I think that's
Oh,
enough.
you think that's enough? Thank you, doctor.
So, do we mix?
Yeah, take a mix. Yeah, mix it up. Just carefully. Don't splash. Don't. It's on me. It's on me. I'm okay. And now what? Once that part's done, you just pour it over your rocks.
I'm going to do this box.
Okay, I guess you just pour it in there, right? Slowly pour the crystal mixture into the tray over the base rocks. Using the mixing stick, stir the contents until well combined. The liquid crystal mixture should reach up to halfway of each base rock. Now you just pour it and just start mixing it around. Just pour, pour, pour.
Get out.
There we go.
And then mix it up.
Yeah, do a lot of stirring, Don't go crazy with it though.
Now, this is what it looks like when I'm mixing it.
Over here and let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is the purple.
Okay.
It's got all the crystals on, so we're taking a note of what it looks like today, and it looks like slushy. It looks like a slushy with rocks in it is what it looks like.
No, it looks like blowed up diaper.
Yeah, it looks
Yeah.
like a blowed up diaper. Okay.
If
So-
you watch the video, the Jello bath,
Jelly
it
bath,
was
yeah.
like so disgusting and cool.
All right, what is your next one you would like to do? Okay, you want to do the red. And the
Yeah.
red is called Red Ruby Geode. And which one are you going to put that one in? Doctor. Alright. The triangle.
I'm laughing at Chris in those glasses. She keeps pushing them up and they fall down.
Do not laugh at my doctor. She is running this whole operation here.
That's right. She's the boss kid.
She's the boss.
Not the
doctor.
boss baby, but the boss.
The boss doctor. We're going to pour up 10 milliliters.
Pouring,
It's
pouring,
boiling
pouring.
hot.
Yeah,
Yes,
Daddy
I
came
just
out of the
made it
coffee
hot.
maker. Don't do that without adult supervision. Don't
I
use
did.
the
And I
coffee.
had Krista right there.
Don't try this at home if you have a parent. Don't
That's
try this at
exactly
home.
right. You gotta have a first grader with you. Oh, now that's dissolving a whole lot better. You see it?
Yep.
I guess when you follow the instructions, it makes a huge difference.
You put it all on.
No, you don't put it all yet.
Remember, just do 3/4.
Got maybe a. That's about a quarter left. All right.
Mommy, put it.
No, carefully.
You gotta stir it a little bit,
Carefully.
remember?
Hold on, I gotta stir it. I'm sorry, doctor. I didn't mean to tell you what to do. I do apologize. Do I stir it now?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. This is really cool.
And next one, we're gonna do this one. So
And then what you can do is let the crystals grow and see how they grow in the next, they said 3 to 7 days.
3 to
and,
7 days. I
and we'll
believe.
do a little bit of recording
And
after
that's
every
what
day.
these are for. These logs here.
okay, do you want me to pour it in?
Oh, we gotta remember the names of it. Like good scientists, we should be writing this down as we're going. Well, that's my fault. I should be doing that.
Assistant.
No, I'm not very good at this. I'm new.
All right.
I'm just fresh out of college.
Doctor, you can pour it now.
It's dissolving really better.
Pour it all in there. There you go. And then mix it around.
Oh, it's dissolving a lot better. See it. It's getting all.
And then now, you want to pour the remaining stuff on there?
The whole bag, doctor?
Yes.
There's still a bit left in that cup.
Hold on. All right, hold on. Let's spread this.
It's dissolving a whole lot better.
I know that coffee maker helped things out a tremendous amount. All right.
Whoop.
Time started. I say we started what, 5 minutes ago?
Sissy missed just a little.
Oh, that's fine. We can rake that off in something. Pour it in there.
Oh, don't rake it on the floor, Sissy.
No.
No, just doctor, you got it.
Oh.
Well done.
All right, pour that in there.
Let's just put it in there.
All right.
Mommy, mix it still. I just need to mix it still. Oh, it's mixing a lot better. The one. It's mixing a lot better.
Oh.
See, this is what it looks like.
All right, this is the finished product of this one.
So if you don't, so these are the two ones that we did.
All right, we're ready for our third and final.
Yes, I'm gonna pick this one.
I say we go all out on this one, Dr. Kristen. Doctor, if I may state my opinion, I say we pour the remaining colors in one.
Oh yeah. Okay, put L.
Is this crazy, or do I need to calm down a little bit? Is this against the...
I made a little mess.
I felt it fall over all over my feet. Shh, you're serious. Shh, you're a doctor. Easy, doctor. Shh. No laughing. You're
Okay,
serious. No
so-
laughing. It's spilling everywhere still. Get a composure. You're serious.
I need
What do I do, doctor?
scissors.
I'm panicking right now. What do I do? Doctor? Doctor.
So we have two that we did like the instructions, and now we're doing one
We're
that.
just gonna go crazy with this one?
Okay, just start pouring. Okay.
Well, wait. we might need some of these rocks out of the water, right? I don't know how this stuff works.
Just do like you said. Just pour it all together.
Just pour it, just dump it all in there and just start.
Pour it all in the water and start stirring.
See what happens.
Yeah.
Okay,
sure.
but get this last.
So we're gonna completely cover these rocks up.
Yeah.
This is gonna be crazy. Here we go. We'll pour these at the same time. All right, you go. Start pouring. All right. All right, we'll grab these last two.
Oh, it's gonna be crazy. Hey,
What?
hey,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just having fun. You gotta watch those scissors. They're tricky. Allow me to help, doctor.
Now. Okay, fine. Okay, I just already poured this one.
All right. And pour. Boom. What were the remaining colors? We didn't even pay attention. I didn't.
You did white, like that
Whoa,
pink
don't mix it with
color.
your- Doctor? Sorry. I don't know if this stuff is poisonous or
Quit.
it's surely not.
Quit, sissy.
I just doctor.
Quit.
Doctor.
Don't do that.
I need to be writing
It
this
was
stuff.
pink, white, yellow, and green.
Okay. Pink.
Yellow.
Hold on.
No, pink, white, green, yellow.
That's right.
All right. Now we pour the remaining of this in here.
Oh man. Oh. Oh.
I might have poured too much.
Don't start with your fingers. Use the stick.
I wonder if I need to pour some of that water out.
Oh.
I mean, the main goal of it is to evaporate. That's when the crystals start growing. So, I mean, it'll eventually evaporate.
College graduate over there.
It looks just like sand now.
It does look like sand.
Okay.
Can we get a close up on that? How neat that is. Look at that.
It's like slime.
Like slime.
And for our next video, we're gonna make slime.
And we got to keep track of this. How long does it say? 3 to 7 days?
Just 3 to 7 days. So, like, we'll take a clip
Your
of it
crystals should
tomorrow.
start growing within 3 to 7 days.
Tomorrow. We'll take a clip of it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
See it. And the next day, we'll just do, like, little 10-second clips on them.
And I haven't even written any of this
So we've
stuff.
got purple. What color was this?
That was the
red.
red, wasn't it? The
And
geode.
then the crazy mixture.
The crazy. The doctor's idea here.
Okay. All right, guys. We'll check back in tomorrow.
Stay tuned.
Say bye.
Bye.
Welcome to KNC Adventure Time. We are showing our crystals that we made show to y'all the last day. And this is what them look like right now.
Yeah. The red one and the purple one, they didn't turn out too well.
And
Daddy might have dropped the ball on that one.
These two were the ones that were done exactly like the instructions. These are supposed to be the end result once all the water evaporated out.
And here's some of the other ones. that-
Get a little bit closer view of it.
Okay.
Yeah, that one's just falling all apart, isn't it?
And then the purple one.
Are you having fun breaking it up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now this one, this one is
That
the
one was
one.
the plethora.
Let me see. Push it over here. This one was the one where he just mixed the rest of the water, all the colors, and everything.
And it does well.
And created a big O.
And it did well.
It did actually. It was the most crystally of all of them, wasn't it?
It was.
Gotta get all of them out.
Goggles. I got my goggles on.
Don't put that in your mouth.
Are you proud of me? I got my goggles on.
Don't put that in But anyways, we just wanted to make sure that we followed
safe.
up and showed you what it looked like.
Yeah, I dropped the ball on these two. This one was
But this one was the creative
Halfway-
one.
halfway
This one was the
epic,
creative one.
halfway
This is
epic.
the one that we followed the instructions, and this is the one you just winged it. And I think
now
that
there
one
could have
turned
been a
out the
margin
best.
of error in these two.
That's okay. There's a margin of error with all of them.
Yes.
Oh, here's Kason.
Anyways,
Here's Kason.
before he blows anything up,
He likes the goggles.
the Kason man, da da da. So thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe to K&C's Adventure Time, and we'll catch all the fun next time.
Woo!
Say bye.
Bye. See you later.
Say bye, Kason. Bye, kids.
Bye, Kason.